Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the service. In this video, we're taking a look at LoanSolo, found at LoanSolo.com. This platform acts as a connection point between borrowers seeking short-term loans and a network of potential lenders. Navigating the site is pretty straightforward. You simply fill out an application form with details like the loan amount you need, your employment information, and some basic personal details. The LoanSolo system then distributes this application to its network of lenders. These lenders, if interested, will present you with their loan offers, including terms and interest rates. It's important to remember that LoanSolo itself isn't a lender, they're more of a facilitator in the borrowing process. They help connect potential borrowers with a diverse range of lending options. This can be particularly helpful for people who may have difficulty securing a loan through traditional channels. One of the key advantages of using a service like LoanSolo is the speed and convenience. You can complete the application process online, typically in just a few minutes, and potentially receive offers relatively quickly. This streamlined process can be a big plus when you need funds urgently. However, it's crucial to carefully examine all loan offers received. Pay close attention to the interest rates, repayment terms, and any associated fees before committing to anything. LoanSolo emphasizes the importance of responsible borrowing and recommends that borrowers fully understand the terms and conditions before accepting any loan. Remember, short-term loans can be a helpful tool in certain situations, but it's vital to borrow responsibly and only borrow what you can realistically afford to repay. Utilizing a platform like LoanSolo can broaden your access to lending options, but it's ultimately up to you to choose the loan that best suits your financial situation. Make sure to thoroughly compare all the offers presented and select the one with the most favorable terms for your specific needs. If you're unsure about anything, don't hesitate to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions. They can provide personalized guidance and help you navigate the complexities of short-term lending.